Navya. In this session, I'm going to explain you about how to update the placement data in the EasyLip application. Okay, so for that, first you have to log into the application as an admin. After that, click on the menu. Here you have to choose ERP admin placement management module. Okay, here first you have to enter the company name. So company details or the information you have to mention. Okay, the company name is you have to mention what is the company name that are coming for the campus interview. So that details you have to mention: company code, phone number, city, state, pin, all those information you have to give. Okay, all this information will be listed here. After that, you can see the company list that you have entered, means what is the company code and what is the company name. Okay, you can also schedule the company visit. Okay, so for the company code or the company name called Google, have the visit one. Okay, and the status whether it is confirmed or not, like that. Here you have to give enter the company code and the company name will automatically come. So let me enter the Google, search for it. So it enter. So visit number you can mention here, means how many times they can visit to the company. So let me take two. And date, from date to date they can enter is 24th. And the status is whether the it is scheduled or this, or it is a tentative schedule, or already visited, or the visit is cancelled. All these details you can select here. And count selected means how many students are selected, like that. Count required is 10. So preferred branch you can enter and preferred institute, and click on the add. It will add the details of the students. Okay, preferred branch means you can give electrical engineering branch or CS branch, telecommunication branch, all those branch you can enter. Okay, student placement data means here you will be able to see how many students are placed and what is their CTC and what is their job location, all these details. So once the student got placed, just go to the placement data of the student and click add placement. Here you have to enter the company code, and what are the student. So whoever have uh, enter or whoever have placed for that company, that ID or that student ID, visit number, how many times they have visited, and what is their CTC and job location. You have to add and click on add. It will add the data. Okay, here 21 EAC012 have placed at Apple company and their CTC and the job location. Okay, and if you have a data in an Excel sheet and you have to import those data to the placement related screen. Okay, so for that you have to mention all those data in the Excel sheet, and it always must be in a dot xlsx format. Okay, so after completed means after you have filled out the Excel sheet, just you need to do is import those file and click read from file. So it will read all the data from that file, and you have to keep on mapping those fields, means what is the company code, how many times they have visited, what is their member ID, what is the name, and what is the CTC of the student, and what is the job location. All this you have to mention in an one Excel sheet, and it will be helpful for you to do the data quickly, because doing manually takes a long time. Okay, so it is better to do the import, so that it will import 100 data at a time or 500 data at a time. So it will be helpful for you to load those data. So you have to keep on mapping. The first column is related to company code, and the second column is related to the member ID, third is CTC, like that. You have to first keep on mapping those fields. After that, once you are done with mapping, click on import. It will import all the data to the placement data. Okay, these are all about the placement module. So for more information or for more clarification about the application, just go through easylib.net in the Google Chrome or in the Edge. Click on the contact, Here, you will be able to see the list of respective contact details. So, just give us a call and ask any doubts regarding the application. And if you want to see the whole application demo, our team will be happy to conduct the demo for you according to your availability. Okay, thank you.